2, 3, and... Stay with me. Just doing a little behind the scenes. Liking that smooth jazz? Check me out. Kind of like 2 in 1 today. This is the next jazz tune, so be ready for it. This is Stevon NextLevel Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. This time coming to you by way of live stream. We are Next Level Live in here. If you're just joining us, great music, entertainment, inspiration, motivation, everything on the next level. And if you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it over here. So thank you for taking the time to join me right here and right now. I've been doing some things on YouTube, doing some things, having some success. And what I want to talk to you about is the mindset of a creator. Okay, I want to share with you specifically, if you stay with me, 3 specific things to set your mind to create and to be a particularly any type of creator. But we're going to be talking about YouTube. Since I am on YouTube, we're going to do it like that. So stay with me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. If you're watching this on the replay, feel free to hit some of those timestamps down there. Let's get in some more jazz before we get to it. The next jazz tune. Y'all know how I do it, right? I bring y'all behind the scenes and give you a little bit of my next tune. This is what this one is. It's called Phase 2 Complete. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. All right. What's going on? Come on, put your hands together. You've written me. Stevon NextLevel Mindset bringing you a live stream. So we're talking about how to create that mindset, the mindset of a creator. Now, y'all know I had to put my shades on. I had to do that to have a little fun. I'm going to take them off for you because I want to talk to you eye to eye. Me and you, whoever you are. And the first thing I want to tell you is just go ahead and get started. You know, my main thing, I was always wondering, am I too late? And some of you watching this right now, and I'm going to go ahead and set this up. Some of you watching this right now, you're wondering, you're seeing everything that's going on with all the different creators online, right? And you're wondering, is it too late? Is this a good time for me to start? Let me tell you right now, get started now. Now that's a bonus point. Aside from the 3 things I want to talk to you, I want to encourage somebody, whoever you are, you've been waiting, you've been wondering. No, it's not too late. I always say, it's never too late to do the right thing. You're never too old to follow your dreams. So just go ahead and get started. If you just make up your mind to get started, the rest will fall in place. I am excited about what's going on. And so I want to get right into it. We're talking about a next level mindset of a YouTube creator. And basically this will not only apply for YouTube creators, but it'll also apply to those in different areas like on Instagram, or whether you're on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. This will apply to any platform you're on. The first thing I want to share with you, decide that you're going to have fun with it. Have fun. That's what I had to learn in my journey. Have fun. Whoever you are, your vibe will attract your tribe. So that's number 1. Be real. Just have fun. Whoever you are, those who are meant for you, you'll draw them to you. And I'm talking fast. I'm excited about what I'm doing, and I'm going to take a little time and slow down. Matter of fact, while I do this, let me hydrate and grab my phone real quick. While I do that, if you are enjoying the show, make sure you hit the like button. The algorithm signal will let others know this video, OMG, this video, it'll let them know it's worth watching. Thank you. Definitely, most definitely do that. Hit that like button. Second thing that I've learned, notice how we're always branding. This took me a while to realize that the way I label my channel, like when I say great music, entertainment, inspiration, and motivation, I'm branding because that's basically what I do. When I have my powerful affirmation, I want to give it to you right now as we're thinking about these specific things about growing and creating the mindset. It says, I am a strong, intelligent, powerful, and positive individual living a prosperous and abundant life. I have all that I need at all times. So think about that as you begin to create this mindset. We're branding. So part of my brand is affirmations. I use that, and so I'm leaving that trail of branding. So be aware of how you always leaving a trail and you always leaving a brand. That's the mindset. That's the mindset of a YouTube creator, of a leader. And obviously that's who you are. Come on, come on. Just doing a little live stream. Phase 2 complete. Be ready for it. Be ready for it. It's coming out. Phase 2 complete. Like I said, you can say you did it behind the scenes with me again. All right. The third thing I want to share with you is that long term. I had to look at it like a long-term experience. Okay. Look at it like a marathon, not just a sprint. This is a marathon. I'll never forget one of the guys on YouTube, Rap Smart. He said that be prepared for the first year to have nobody look at your videos. And I think he was exaggerating, but it prepared my mind for that long term. Be ready for the long experience. I made up my mind that, you know what? No matter what happens, as long as I'm having fun, remember that, number one, as long as I'm having fun, I'm going to be in this for the long game. Not only just on YouTube, but just in life, in my business life. The moment I shifted my mind from just temporary to the long term, that's when everything started. I began to find myself in different classes of life, different even classes of YouTube. The links in the description, I put a playlist together about YouTube Shorts. On that first thing when I told you it was never too late, get started now. I want to encourage somebody. You've been thinking about it, okay? I've been having a few things going on with my shorts. This right here is a playlist that I put together of my shorts. They've been running ads now. They're doing a test, the beta testing. They're doing some ad testing between the shorts. And they have a program now. I don't want to give too much because I'm going to put another video together. Be ready for that. I'm putting together another video. They putting the shorts together where you can get paid for advertisements on it. And we might as well make the money that we know we deserve. But yeah, it's not too late. Get involved. It's never too late. These are just simple, practical ways we can create that mindset. We can start living and making a living doing what we love to do. There's nothing wrong with that. Still excited about that new single, Can't Nobody. Got that new single, finally came out. It is available everywhere your music is streamed. Make sure you go get a copy of that. Matter of fact, the Amazon link will be in the description. Check that out. Definitely excited about that. Working on the video. Excited about that. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. That will send the computer algorithm signal. Lets everybody know this video, OMG, this video. It'll let them know it's worth watching. Check out the links in the description. A lot of those are affiliate links that will support me. Some for the merchandise and will support you as well and for your family. Thank you for all of my viewers. Those who have just subscribed, I see the numbers building up. Thank you. That really means a lot. Thank you for all those who are viewing, maybe not subscribed, but you've been watching me. That means a lot as well. I am on a campaign to build my subscriber base because that's part of the YouTube partner program and basically just a family as well. So definitely hit the subscribe button, turn on all your notifications, and hit that bell. That when I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to know about it. I upload videos like this all the time, and if y'all like this, definitely hit that subscribe button, join the family. Remember, there is no God outside of us, there's only God within us. And with that, we are unstoppable. All things possible. Nothing that needs to be done in our lives that together we cannot do. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.